Meaning of droplet.
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 Droplet. The term droplet typically refers to a small spherical or nearly spherical liquid particle. These particles can form when a liquid is broken up into smaller pieces, such as through spraying or splashing. Droplets can be found in a variety of settings, including the atmosphere, where they play an important role in cloud formation and precipitation. In medical settings, droplets can also be an important factor in the spread of infectious diseases, as they can carry pathogens from one person to another through coughing, sneezing, or talking.